Students, I am Dr. V.K. Sawant. Today we are going to conduct lecture on e-audit. We discussed there are two major types of audit. One is internal audit and another is statutory audit or external audit. Apart from this, by considering the objectives, there are certain types of audit. We discussed in addition that management audit. Also we discussed cost audit. Other type of audit includes tax audit that also discussed by us. In the present lecture, we are concerned with e-audit. We know that technology is the driver in modern age. Technological development has no limits. Technology constantly changing. Its development has no limits. Our technology is not limited a particular or specific science. Technology has extended till it reached the accounting information system and even auditing. It means that technological development reached in accounting information as well as useful for conducting auditing. Now people are looking constantly online activities and expect faster delivery. We while we are looking on online, we expect faster delivery. In accounting as well as auditing, information technology plays a vital role in producing reliable and timely financial statements and reports. We can see financial reports and statement online, but we expect faster delivery. Then, meaning and concept of e-auditing. E-auditing, that is electronic auditing, is computer assisted auditing that uses electronic records to complete part or all of audit. If you use a computer to record business activity and maintain this data electronically, you are a candidate for electronic audit. It means that those business organizations maintain the accounts by using computer that record automatically useful for conducting e-audit. This follows similar procedure as a traditional audit but using electronic means to remotely perform the audit. E-audit is also known as remote auditing. Another name of e-auditing is remote auditing. An e-audit is a systematic, independent, and documented process to obtain the evidence. E-audit is systematic, independent, which require document process to obtain evidence through electronic means to determine the extent of conformity to the audit criteria. E-auditing uses various audit techniques including electronic detail auditing and sampling. It is common to use more than one technique in the same audit. For example, sales and purchases of fixed asset could be audited using the electronic detail technique, while expenses could be audited using a sampling method. It means that there are 2 points we are considering regarding e-audit. E-audit can be conducted in detail or by applying sampling method. In case of sales and purchase of fixed asset, detailed techniques are followed. On the other hand, in case of expenses, a sampling method can be used. E-auditing E-audit can be performed using E-audit can be performed using video conferencing and screen sharing software, including Google Hangouts, Skype, etc. It means that e-audit can be performed through video conferencing and screen sharing software, which includes Google Hangouts and Skype. All documents can be shared through Google Drive, email, or similar document sharing platforms. Conducting an e-audit has many benefits. Because of conducting e-audit, the following types of benefits can be get, such as saving time, reduce the travel to remote region, less paper required, and tracking the audit in real time. These are the advantages or benefits derived by conducting e-audit. These means I am also repeating that what are the benefits deriving by conducting e-audit are saving time, reduction the travel to remote region, less paper required, and tracking the audit in real time. Concept of computer assisted audit techniques. Concept of computer assisted audit techniques. Computer assisted audit techniques, in short CAT, are computer programs and data that the auditor uses as part of the audit procedures to process data of audit significance contained in a client computer information system. Auditors' use of a computer assisted audit technique is something special normally used by an auditor are not computer assisted. It means that general auditing techniques are also followed in e-auditing. The term CAT refers to the use of certain software that can be used by the auditor to perform audits and to achieve the goal of auditing. CATS offers much needed help. The audit technology tools facilitate more granular analysis of data and help to determine the accuracy of information. Types of CATs. There are three types of CATs. First is generalized audit software, in short GAS, comprises computer programs used for audit purposes to process data audit significance from the client accounting system. GAS is used by the auditor to examine the entity computer files, may be used during both test of control and substantive testing of transactions and balances. The another type of CATs is test data. First part we have seen GAS means generalized audit software. Now we are discussing test data. Test data is submitted by the auditor for processing by the client's computer-based accounting system. The review of an application system will provide information about controls built in the system. Utility software. Utility software is the subset of software such as database management, system systems report generators that provides evidence to the auditors about system control effectiveness. Part 4. There are four parts of CAT or types. The audit expert system. The audit expert system will give direction and valuable information to all levels of auditors while carrying out the audit because the based system knowledge base of the censor auditors and managers. It means that there are four types of e-audit. One is gas, another is test sampling, third is utility software, and fourth is the audit expert system. Now we are going to discuss what are the benefits of e-auditing in detail. First benefit of e-auditing is saving time and money with the use of technology. Technology is becoming our life easier. By conducting e-audit, there is possibility to save time and money of the client. Most data, if not all, is accessible from anywhere, such as cloud portal. In this sense, there is a significant reduction in money and time spent on commuting to audit location. Online interviews, observation by using platforms like Skype or Zoom is possible. It means that there are certain online platforms which are useful for conducting e-auditing, and that helps to reduce money or cost and time. Avoiding traveling to difficult location. In traditional method, auditor has required to travel and approach in client's location. But because of e-auditing, it is not possible, it is possible to conduct audit online. There is no need of traveling by the auditor. And so it is helpful for conducting e-audit properly. Logistics related to auditing are not needed anymore. When conducting e-audit or e-audits, usually organizations are relieved from logistics related to booking conference rooms, clearing, cleaning up after the audit team leaves, as well as worrying about audit team accommodation, interruptions of employees' regular workflow, and other related in other related inconveniences experienced during an on-site audit. Another benefit, the audit team will be more efficient working from their home office environment. The audit team will feel more comfortable since they will be able to use all the necessary tools such as high-speed internet, monitors, printers, etc. This way, the productivity will be increased in an e-audit in comparison with an on-site audit needing fewer hours to complete a certain task. Because of adoption of e-auditing system, the audit team will become more efficient because of they did not require to travel from their location. They can conduct e-audit that feel themselves comfortable, and it will improve the productivity as compared with the on-site auditing. Increased security. Now security is the important aspect of surviving. Physical documents are more difficult to secure than the electronic documents variantly. When we are comparing electronic documents and physical documents, electronic documents are secure as compared to physical documents. Electronic data and documents can be secured through password and digital security methods. We can secure our data by using passwords and digital security methods. But physical documents can be copied, lost, placed in an unsecure location. A paperless audit increases the security of company's financial position. It means that by conducting a audit, security is maintained properly, and paperless audit increases the security of company's financial position. Electronic detail audit. This is the another benefit of e-auditing. While performing an electronic audit, it may be possible to review every transaction in a file, eliminating the need for sampling. If we can perform a detailed audit within the same amount of time as a sample, a detailed audit will be performed. Because of in case of on-site auditing, we require to go, to go sample audit, but in that time on using e-auditing, we can conduct detailed audit of that concern. Faster review. A paperless audit may take less time than a traditional paper trail audit process. Financial documents can be easily loaded to review and analyze with greater accuracy. Less manual work and easier reviews can decrease the total auditing timeline. Because of e-auditing, we can complete audit work within a specified time limit. Now we are going to discuss barriers of conducting e-audits. Firstly, we looked at benefits of e-auditing. Now we are focusing barriers of conducting e-audit. E-audits are not approved by some certification and accreditation bodies. Yet there are certain certification and accreditation bodies. They do not accept e-audit procedure, or they are not treating e-audit is reliable audit. Some certification and accreditation bodies still consider e-audits are not valid. They are not treating e-audit as a valid audit. Issues with technology. We discussed that technology is the driver of globalization. Because of technology, we can reach any part of the world. It means that technology is faster and it becoming our life easier and comfortable. Sometimes network connections are not reliable due to network issues. Interviews and meetings can be interrupted, taking some time to reconnect and solve all the network problems. So, another barrier for conducting e-audits is that issues related with technology, lack of involvement. Other issues relating to performing e-audits include process owners who become unavailable due to having meeting already scheduled, or even lack of attention from the auditees. Another barrier of e-auditing is that some auditors want to perform on-site audits because they believe they can trust the audit only if auditors have physically access to audit evidence. Trusting the audit is the problem regarding e-audit. Now, some auditors believing that they can trust the audit only if auditors have physical access to audit evidence. The auditor are trusting that they can check physically documents instead of e-checking of documents. Insufficient auditor training and experience. For conducting e-audit, professional, practiced, trained auditors are required. Those auditors having techno savvy, they are very useful to performing e-audit. But due to lack of training and experience of the auditor, conducting e-audits can lead to inability to collect sufficient audit evidence and thus assess its objectivity. So these are the barriers for conducting e-audits. E-audit is the need of hour because of every field is occupied by computer system, and online or e-auditing is also assessing or also helpful to conduct e-audit, means computer assisted system is helpful for conducting e-audit. There are various platforms available for conducting e-audit. In the present lecture, we discussed e-audit, that is electronic audit. What are the causes for taking e-audit? What is meant by e-audit? Types of cats. Also merits or advantages or benefits of e-auditing. In addition, we discussed barriers for conducting e-audit. So here our discussion on e-audit is over, and I am happy to say that our first unit is also over. So in this way we have completed our first unit of advanced accountancy paper number 2, titled as subtitled as auditing. That subtitled I am speaking for your information. The real name of or title of paper is Advanced Accountancy Paper number 2. There are 4 chapters for semester first, of which our first chapter is over. For that purpose, I have conducted 15 lectures online by accepting online mode. That the portion, that is unit number 1, is totally taken by us by accepting online mode. Remaining units can be taught by offline mode. So this is the brief presentation of our unit number 1. You can refer reference books for additional knowledge and information of the area concerned. Also, you have required to visit various websites as related to our syllabus. So this is the brief information of our unit number 1. In this unit, we focused all all elements that mentioned in our syllabus under chapter number 1. Thank you for patiently listening.